Don't let the screen door hit you in the butt, Steve Breyer. Yeah, this is Dr. David Shine with a special edition of Saving America with a Lifetime Non-Achievement Award for Steve Breyer, who's leaving the Supreme Court, not because he's 83 years old and a has-been, but because the left is telling him to get out while Biden still controls the Senate, so they can affirm somebody else who is more to their liking, or at least as liberal as good old Breyer. I have a hard time referring to him as Justice Breyer, because I don't think he's been involved in the justice business. Generally speaking, if you self-describe yourself as a liberal, you are not following the Constitution. As far as I'm concerned, the reason for the Supreme Court is to make sure that the clowns in the rest of the government follow the Constitution. Gee, what a novel idea. So obviously, I'm not sad that good old Breyer is on the way out. My big concern is who is going to replace him. With the wackos on the left pushing for who knows what, I'm concerned that we might go from bad to worse. But let's see what happens. I've heard that useless McConnell and his buddies are planning to put up a fight. But remember, it's a 50-50 fight if Manchin stays on his side of the aisle. And that means good old Giggles Harris would be casting the final vote to make it 51 votes. But let's see what happens. The Democrats have been pretty rough on Kristen Sinema from Arizona, and so she might decide to vote against an extremely liberal candidate also, and see if we can have a little bit more sanity on the court. Hey, a suggestion. Breyer is 83. He's been on the court for 27 years. Ginsburg was clearly past any rational period in her life by the time that she passed out of the court, literally. And maybe it's time to put in a mandatory retirement age of 75. 75 these days ain't that old, but also for many, it may mark a good, reasonable point for these folks to go home, enjoy all their big federal largesse that they live off, and to let some other people onto the bench. And that might resolve the 9 justice problem, because it would create a regular turnover. So whoever happens to be in office at the time would get a chance to appoint somebody. This is Dr. David Shine, special edition of Saving America.